Hi everyone, here are 5 fun facts about Malaysia that you need to know before you come to Malaysia. First, multicultural country. Malaysia is home to lots of ethnic groups: Malay, Chinese and Indians, Ibans and Kadazans, making it rich in festivals, language and food. Second, home to the tallest twin towers. The Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur were once the tallest buildings in the world and are still the tallest twin towers. Third, unique food fusion. Malaysian cuisines is a mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian and even Thai and Indonesian influenced dishes like nasi lemak, roti canai and char kway teow are local favorites. 4. Oldest tropical rainforest. The Taman Negara rainforest is over 130 million years old, older than the Amazon. 5. Island paradise. Malaysia has beautiful islands like Langkawi, Bedang, Tioman, popular for snorkeling, diving and beaches. So get new knowledge for Ilmu Channel today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and follow Ilmu Channel so you can get new video from me. Thank you.